So auditions for me before were inconsistent. Sometimes I would work 10 hours and I would do very well, and sometimes I would work 10 hours and I would not have it, as I had no technique. That was something I felt I got from this class. In this class, you're understanding the story. You're understanding imagination and where that plays and how to validate and foster that, and drills of rehearsal that make it new every time. Any script that comes in, I can apply these steps and end up with a result that is doable and great. Had done this technique and I lived the role. The audition was probably like 7 minutes long, and I don't think I came out of character once. I genuinely feel like maybe it's not hit and miss anymore. My confidence to develop a character fully, like the guys I admire, is understandable to me and doable for me.